හායි ඔන්න ඔයාලගේ තියෙන ඇලිමෑලි ගතිය දුරු කරගෙන ශරීරයේ එනර්ජි ලෙවල් එක අප් කරගන්න පුළුවන් හොඳ කොෆි ඩ්‍රින්ක් එකක් හදාගන්න විදිය තමයි අද අපි කියලා දෙන්න යන්නේ. ටර්කිෂ් කොෆි එකක් තමයි අපි හදන්න යන්නේ. තුර්කිෂ් කොෆි කියනවා. ඉතින් ඒක එක එකනා ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන විදියනේ. මේ ඉන්නේ අපේ ඉජිප්තු ජාතික සහෘදයෙක්. නිවැරදිව ටර්කිෂ් කොෆි එකක් හදාගන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා එයා අපිට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරයි. එහෙනම් අපි වීඩියෝ එකට ගිහින් බලමු.
We'll open now the
Yeah.
source of coffee. It's a Turkish coffee. I need one spoon, small spoon we have.
How many spoons?
Here,
Yeah,
like this.
2 spoons.
Yeah, not full. This is good.
And this 1 cup, 2 or 3 spoon, small spoon.
I put it here, not in like this. Should to make like this until you get the this should to mix all.
Okay. That means all should dissolve.
Yes. Yes, until you get this like this. Okay, but you need to not all because the fire here hit this. Should to be smallest fire,
Okay. It's like a medium fire.
not medium, small
Okay.
fire until you get this color.
It should bubble, right?
Not bubble.
Not bubble.
No, you just take the first of boil. Should remove.
But it's Turkish, right?
Turkish coffee. Yes. See,
Yeah.
this in Arabic word and this in English. Turkish coffee.
Yeah.
But what is the name? Kuri kahwagi. Kuri. But it's this. This you now see it is start to see in this.
Separating, no?
Separating and start to get the final process. See, I will make this like this. And again, make like this.
You will mix it, huh?
Wait. Then return again. See, you have now different color. Yes.
Yeah. It's like caramelizing, no?
Caramelizing.
Yeah.
All the test will be once. خلاص once it will get the good one. But this without sugar because if you put it sugar you will miss the original flavor. Someone يعني love it with sugar but it's not like
It's not the original.
it's not original. Yes. See, because it takes time. My grandma have a separate cooker like this, but this separate cooker have a one what is this name? I don't know what is this name. Okay, to get a small fire and put it this every day. Okay, once you enter her home, she automatically starts to make a coffee for you.
This coffee powder is different or is
Coffee?
yeah, this coffee
The
powder.
source?
The powder.
It's totally different because this came from Yemen, from Brazil, okay, from Kenya. That's it.
It's not from Sri Lanka?
No, Sri Lanka tea, not coffee. But also, if Sri Lanka also have this seats for coffee, but I think it not. Yani, if the Sri Lanka exported this outside, but will not come here in our Gulf area or Middle East.
That coffee is black.
Black. It's a black coffee. It's a totally different. Black coffee like what
This
Sam brought.
Yeah.
It's a totally different also. Not like this.
I will bring that one. What we have.
Who? You?
Yeah. That also a little brownish. But I don't know whether you can make.
خلاص finish.
Finish
now. See بقى when I make here. See?
ඉතින් අපිත් මේක try කරා. බොහොම පොඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් තමයි මේක ගන්න ඕනේ. ගොඩක් බොන්න බෑ. තිත්ත රසක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔයාලටත් පුළුවන් අපේ ශ්‍රී ලංකන් කොෆි බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එකකින් මේක try කරලා බලන්න. මම මුලින් කිව්වා වගේ දවසේ වැඩ කටයුතු ටික පිළිවෙලකට කරගන්න අපිට හොඳ එනර්ජි එකක් ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් ගිහින් එන්නම්.